Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this kitchen we keep it simple, affordable and full of flavor. I'm so excited to show you today's recipe, so grab your ingredients and let's cook together. So today I want us to make this meal a simple meal, perfect for dinner, lunch, or if you want to have breakfast you can as well have it. Liver plus sukuma wiki plus ugali. It's a Kenyan dish, so I hope you enjoy. Kindly subscribe as you watch. Thank you. For the ingredients, this is what I'll be using. There's lemon, ginger, garlic, the liver itself, cooking oil, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, coriander, and then soy sauce for the spice, and of course the sukuma wiki. I've already chopped it, so let's get started. So first step, you wash your liver, put it in a pot or a pan or a sufuria, whatever you're going to use to cook the liver, and then you add water, just a half a cup of water or a quarter cup of water, just a little, for it to like boil with it a little bit. We don't want it to cook too much, just a little bit. While the liver is boiling, prepare your ingredients. Chop your onions, bell pepper, coriander, tomatoes, everything. Just prepare your ingredients. And then you check on your liver. Once the water's dried up, you start frying your liver. Add your onions. This is my procedure. And then I add cooking oil, and then you let them cook together, the oil plus the liver. The oil will turn golden brown, and even the liver will start to like turn golden brown. And I usually cook my meat or liver in this time. While they're still cooking, you can add in your salt and your spices. For me, I was using beef masala, and then paprika, and then soy sauce for the spices. And then you just mix everything up and keep. And then after a few minutes, like 5 minutes, you add in your ginger and garlic, mix them up and just let them cook. Content creator. After a few minutes of frying them, you squeeze in your lemon just for that bitter taste. You know, it tastes so well. Plus the other flavors, it complements the other spices. Make sure you add your lemon into your meat or liver. It tastes so good. And then once you've seen your onions and ginger garlic have turned golden brown, that's when you add in your bell peppers and tomatoes, and then you mix them up and you give it time, like 5 to 10 minutes. And after like 5 to 10 minutes, once your bell peppers and tomatoes are well cooked, you add in a little bit of water just for the soup, just a little bit. Don't add too much water, and then let it boil for like 5 minutes, and then you chop it up with your corianders and your maini is ready. After the liver, you go to sukuma wiki. I just added oil into my sufuria, and then after it was ready, I added onions. I waited for the onions to turn golden brown. I added salt and then the sukuma wiki. Just cook them for like 5 minutes and they'll be ready. Set them aside, and then let's go to our final meal of the day, that is ugali. You just boil your water the normal way. You just put the amount of water that you want, wait for it to boil, and you start adding maize flour. As you mix it, you mix until it's smooth and just well mixed, that smooth. I don't know what to call it. You just know when it's ready. Just wait, keep turning for a few minutes, and then your ugali will be ready. And there you go, it's done. Now you can serve your liver, sukuma wiki, and your ugali. You can never go wrong with this meal. As you guys have already seen, it's very simple, easy, affordable. Like, wow, this is the best meal. Like, I'm telling you, liver is so sweet. And that's what I had for dinner for this day. And let me know if you've enjoyed the vlog. Let me know if you've learned something. Let me know if you're going to try my recipe, and I'll be very happy. So leave a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below what you are going to, if you're going to try my recipe. Bye bye, see you in the next one.